Yo, so I got a new lens and it's pretty fucking fire. Yeah, so basically today I think I might just try this out, but I'm loving it. Like last time, so basically I only had a 35 millimeter. Now this is like 16 and I would have to like prop my camera up everywhere and it was really fucking annoying. But now honestly chilling, like wow. So yeah, like now I can walk around with the camera. The game has changed. I don't have to prop my shit up anymore. Like damn. So I think I might just test out the lens today. I think I already said that, but wow. So like May 29th, we had the no mask mandate, which has been pretty nice. But right now, I'm gonna go pick up some of my friends and try this new lens out. Should be sick. I got the Subi. I'm about to whip it. You already know. Yo, so now we're at my friend Aiden's house, right there. I'm not gonna dox him though, so I won't show his addy, but yeah, we're here. So we're basically in a nature preserve in my town. It's pretty cool. A lot of people do stuff here, you know, like drink, smoke, and preserve nature. Also a couple fishing spots if you go over that way. And then if you see here, there's a farm.
It's not even.
Bro, I didn't even see it. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna skip a rock. See this one?
That was 3.
Let's go. You see that? Oh, there are a couple birds out here too. I just saw one. It went in that tree over there.
I'm gonna kill it.
That wasn't nice. So we're gonna keep walking down this path. Hopefully we find something cool. Right now there's just bags.
Oh, the cops!
Respect.
I stretch my hand, but my cup just goes up.
So I think that'll conclude the vlog. That's the Meadows.
Hezbollah.
Ow. Yeah. So this is vlog number. Which one is it? 8. 5 or 8. In the general area, 5 or 8. It's probably one of those. I'm gonna try and upload more this year. Maybe like 2 more videos this year. So yeah.